Hi everyone, I'm Suzanne Hodgen, Technology Coordinator at Cambridge School. I'm going to talk for a few minutes about what technology we have and how it's being used at the different grade levels. Our goal is to provide technology to each grade level that the students can use to elevate their learning no matter what their profile. The potential for assistive technology in the classroom for students with learning differences is huge. Its benefits include enhancing academic achievement in written expression, reading, math, and organization. For students with learning differences, technology can provide that extra support needed to accomplish a task with less frustration, more confidence, and enable them to produce work that is a true reflection of what they know. Cambridge employs a number of different technologies to assist students. For example, all academic classrooms are equipped with smartboards, allowing teachers to deliver engaging lessons. By adding colorful text, video clips, animation, and images into smart notebook lessons, teachers can supplement their oral instruction, which can make it easier for students to grasp key concepts. Teachers can use our smart response system, which are clickers, to gauge understanding and keep track of how well students are learning. Points that have not been understood properly can easily be identified and revisited. In addition, teachers can highlight parts of a text to emphasize its importance. Teachers can also allow students to manipulate the smartboard screen with their hands, and interactive games and activities can be embedded into smart notebook lessons to keep students engaged and focused. Chromebooks are used in lower school 1 through middle school 1. Chromebooks were chosen for these grade levels for a number of reasons. The first being that they take very little time for the students to go from opening them up to using them. They boot up in 8 seconds and are easy to use. There is no software to load, and all the applications are cloud-based. The students use Google applications for their work, therefore there is no need to worry about losing work or forgetting it at home. Chrome extensions and Google tools are powerful aids for students as well. At Cambridge, we use a number of these tools, and I will highlight a few on the next slide. Okay, so for this short tutorial, I'm just going to show you a few tools that students can use either in Chrome or in Google Docs. The first one is this Read and Write for Google. And what it does is it allows them to hear back the words that they've written. So if they type something, a paragraph or a paper, and they want to hear it read back to them so they can catch any mistakes they've made, they can just pull down this menu and hit the play button.
Read and Write for Google. Read and Write for Google allows students to hear back their written work before they submit it. They can also use Read and Write for Google to read information from websites.
So that's a great tool for editing. There's also the option to have the microphone if they want to voice type or do the speech to text. They would just go to Tools, go to Voice Typing, and anything that once you hit click to speak, anything that is spoken will be written, and it's actually very good at translating the human voice. So those are two tools that are accessible to the students. The other one that I wanted to show you is if students go to a website and they are reading an article. As you see here, there's a lot of distracting ads on the side. If I go up to this little couch icon, it's going to ask me if I want to read now, later, or send to my Kindle. I'm going to say read now. And it cleans up the page for them so it only has the article that they want to have read. Okay. And then what they could do is they could actually use the Read and Write tool again to have the article read aloud to them if they need that. So those are some great tools for students, and those are just a few of the ones we use here at Cambridge. In middle school 2 through middle school 4, students use iPads to support their learning. iPads offer teachers more diverse methods for delivering instruction and engaging students for learning in the 21st century. iPads have been shown to assist students with organization by having everything they need in one device. Apps are available for interactive textbooks, novels, note-taking, and powerful assistive technologies. Built-in dictionaries and glossaries allow students to better comprehend what they are reading. They can highlight and annotate text as they read, therefore fully connecting with the material. Accessibility is built into the device, allowing students to change the size and background color of the text. There's also a built-in screen reader, and the keyboard has predictive text, helping those students who struggle with encoding. If you'd like to learn more about the different apps being used in the middle school, please see my other videos on the Parent Ed page of our website. In the upper school, where students need more powerful processing capabilities, laptops are used. Since this is a bring your own device program, students can choose to either bring a Mac or a PC depending on their preference. This gives them the freedom to bring the device they feel most comfortable using and the opportunity to get to know that device well before they go off to college. In addition, like the iPads, they bring their laptops back and forth between home and school every day so they can stay organized. Therefore, the laptops offer the upper school students the processing and the portability they need. Cambridge also has over 20 Dell laptops for students at all grade levels to use when they need a more robust processor than the Chromebooks or iPads offer. For example, they use them during graphic design or when doing 3D modeling. So this was just a brief overview of the different technologies used at the school and how they are broken down by grade levels. Please don't hesitate to contact me with any questions. Thank you.